It's still Hudman here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a kink pole for when you're out in the wild and you only see some fishing line. That's all you have, okay? So don't be in the comment section like, what if? No, there is no what ifs. But what if we're attacked? I don't care. Actually, so come here. So what you want to do? Get that little shrivel. Here, I'll focus. Here. Come on, focus. Focus. It's not focusing. But yeah, little shrivel and on. That's to make your line nice and tight for you. So what you want to do? Now, one of your pieces of line that way, and start with the very end of your line.
Over that way,
Sorry, I'm sweating bullets. Anyway, it's hot. And the solar eclipse happened today. I was going to record a video on that, but my mom stopped me, so yeah. So anyway, what you want to do, you want to get your line cut like that. Or that, or that. What I'm going to do though, I was going to put it right in between this and this because it'll stop it easier. So right there. I'm just going to do 2 overhand knots because there ain't big fish in there. Was going to use my micro hooks, but my mom took off with the call, so I cannot get them out in time. I'm just doing a demonstration, so yes.
Well, the new one's over that much, remember?
When you're making a kink pole, it ain't gonna matter, but I like to leave access just in case it's a bigger fish in there and I don't know about it. That way when they pull it, it'll come tight. So what you want to do afterward is get your other end. Try to keep it as straight as you can without getting it tangled. If you do that, you're gonna have a whole mess to clean up. But yes, then get the end. Where did it go? Shrivel all the way down to the very end. Then what I got, don't know if it'll catch something, but don't know what's a hook, but it's a freaking long hook. My finger's gonna be right over the eye hole. That's a long hook. It's the next best thing, so see if I can work with it. So I'm just gonna do a simple little knot, not too quite crazy. But you guys are right here, so because I'm gonna show you guys how I tie it. This is just the simplest knot ever. Make you a little fish hook right there. Well, I don't know if y'all can see that little fish hook one. So I do a hook eye. Right, just like that. Pull it through about right there. Okay. About right there. And then twist 12 times. And then I'll show you the rest once I'm done. Be right back. Okay, so I'm done with the things. 12 times, just twist it. And then what you want to do, if I can fix it, please fix up. Ship up or shape out, as I always say. Okay, so take your original hook right to the original hole. Then, not the eye hole from the hook, just the original hole. Take it, pull it tight. I'm trying to do it without getting hooked. Then leave just a hair axis. very little access. There. That's a whole lot longer.
You hungry, astronaut?
I'm hungry.
Oh, God. Yeah.
Where's my pizza roll?
Want some pizza on? Ice cream?
Go.
No, we want some crab.
We'll take bucks. I'll get my hook in just a second. I'm see what kind of bait I'm using. These are small fish, dude.
Rainbow, you want
I think we got
some
something bright color, like nice and bright. Something fish like, there we go. Hold on a second. We have to get that split shot out because no, I won't see it. I mean, I don't even know what kind of fish are in here. A little white grub. She can tear a little piece off. Don't need that much when you're using a grub like this. Don't need much.
Here.
So.
Say throw that lid on. I can't.
Here. Okay, I'm sorry. Just a little small white piece. Basically like power bait. For small bluegill or bass, one of the two. But yeah, where'd that little tackle box go? I'm gonna use that again real quick. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can tie on a whole thing, a whole one. No, screw that. I have a much better idea. So what I'm gonna do, should I use that or the tube? This. What I'm gonna do, instead of doing that, take the little tail off of this guy. Tail off of him. Line it up and there we go. Ooh, it smells bad. Nasty. And did you get
Randall, want to eat some space ice cream?
Space ice cream is nasty. Never eat space ice cream, it's nasty. I'm just gonna do a micro Texas rig. See if I'll get any bites on that. You know what? Hold on. I ain't doing the little bass thing. I'm just gonna go for normal small bluegill. This is not catch and keep, by the way. Well, actually it might. I'll just get my tank off the back porch and put it in if I catch anything. If I catch anything. I'm gonna tear that. It's gonna be my secondary bait in case I take that one off the hook. I'm gonna take this, open it up. Okay, oh, there we go. So, Mom,
What?
can I use a pole?
Can you what?
Can I use a pole?
No.
I'm making my own. Ow.
Whatever. Randall.
This is a long cane pole.
Honey.
Just gonna use a small piece like that. Ain't gonna take a lot to catch these small fish. But I think this hook may be too big for their mouth. If so, then I'll have to get in the back of the truck or car and see if I can find my micro hook. No, what are you doing to me? I want to hook it just like that, right there. See if my brother wants to go back there and fish with me. If so, I'll have him get his pole out. He can use his pole, I'm going to use my cane pole. I guess that's a lot of hook exposed and all, but screw it. I'm going to fix it up. Get back to you once I fix it. Okay, I'm back. Just like that. Another little thing. Putting that in the little tackle box that I'm bringing with. split shot weight all the way down. Where'd it go? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where'd the shovel go? Oh, there it is. About 8 foot down to the shrivel.
61 1/4.
There it is.
Width and length.
All done. Throw that back there.
Width and length.
Throw this over my shoulder. Get ready. I get you when I get back there. If my brother comes back here, I don't know. Okay, I'm back. I got it all set up. I'm heading back here now. Going by myself as usual. Anyway, right there. Earlier I lifted it up. Was gonna find some bait underneath of it. Don't know if I ran out of bait, and if nothing's biting on the artificial bait, I'm just gonna go to find an actual worm for next video. This is just fishing part 1. This is a build tutorial and fishing part 1. Not part 2, part 1. So okay, here we go. Let's show you guys the creek. This is a decent creek. Not big. It's not that small either. There it is. I don't know if there's anything in it. We're gonna try. Let's hope something bites, guys. Because I don't think there's any snakes right here. I could be wrong, because around this area there's a whole lot of stuff I can get caught on stuff. So I have to be careful as I can be. And there's probably snakes around here. But yeah, no, my bad. I know there's snakes around here. But I don't think there's any right now out, because it's not dark yet. Wait, solar eclipse happened earlier. So could be wrong, could be right. Don't know. Don't know. If this thing will get out of the freaking tree, I can move on with this video. Stay out of that. Don't want that. Unravel, please. Thank you. I'm about to drop it down now. You mother trucker. Mother trucker, dude. Stop. I'm going to have to do the old maneuver with the, you know, I don't know. I don't even know what the freaking maneuver is called. Come here. Oh, I'm got cut. There we go. I thought right here's a bit of a sinkhole, guys. I'm sorry. Just so you guys know, I'm lifting all this for you guys, so be sure to hit that like button. Please. Thank you. Perfection. I don't know if something's gonna wait. Guys, we gotta bite. Oh gosh. Oh no, it got snagged. Oh god, it got snagged on the way down. Oh, I thought we had a bite because I pulled it up and it was like that. Come here. Come here, I said. Oh Jesus Christ. Excuse my language. Sorry I said that. There's a walkway right there I could try. There's more of a chance of getting snake bit right there than there is right here. I'm sorry if you guys can barely hear me. It's freaking frustrating because it's getting caught on everything. That's the thing about cane poles. Catch, cast, and retrieve, cast, retrieve, cast, and retrieve. You have to be persistent. Fishing with cane pole, take 2. What are you doing? If I can never get untangled. What are you doing to me? What are you freaking doing? What are you doing? What are you freaking doing? Alright, we're just gonna do it like this. Actually, I have an idea, guys. Might just work actually. Just like that. you doing? There it is. Oh, guys, we got something. Oh, these fish are so freaking small. Like, I'll get a bite and I'll actually have them up. Don't you just hate those moments when you're trying to fish and all that happens is just freaking bullcrap? Speaking of which, I think somebody's got it. There are fish in there, and I know it. I know there's fish in here. There has to be. This is pretty deep for there not to be fish. Oh wait, now my line's gonna loose. Oh crap! I just went straight. Do I have something? Do I even? Oh, I don't even have bait no more. Okay. So, fish can do the artificial when they want. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't be doing this to me. Not now. Not today. Come here. Come here, thank you. So I think live bait would be the way to go. Pretty sure. Yeah, see? There's longer tails than that. Anyway, we're just gonna work with what we got right now. I'm gonna try to go down over there. Yo, you guys are definitely coming with me. That way, if I die, you guys know my story. I was fishing and then I died. The end. Oh crap. I think I'm about to end the video. If I do end the video by accident, if I do end the video right now without doing the outro, it'll be on accident. Sorry. Nope. Jesus. Sounds like someone's getting raped. Oh crap, guys. Bobcat. There's a bobcat. Oh, shoot. Did it see me? I don't think it sees me. Hold on. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. It's just back here in the woods. Oh crap, it turned towards me. Oh crap, it's coming. Come on. It's showing me. I'm out. I'm out. I heard something back there and I look over and there's a bobcat. At first it sounded like somebody back there was getting raped and I look over and there's a bobcat sitting there. Ooh, that scared me. I'm gonna mess you up. Hello. I was running. Sounded like somebody was getting right back there. I look over. Big bobcat sitting there. Sitting there screaming.
Not out here now, you didn't.
Back there in that creek, yes I did. I faced the camera towards it, but I don't know if it got it. Heard something screaming, said, that sounded like somebody got raped. Look over and there's a bobcat.
Sound like somebody what?
Was getting raped because it was screaming.
You don't say stuff like that.
Well, it sounded like it. Well, that's it for today's video. Like to smash the like button and all that other stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a tank. Tank. Right there's a fish. Y'all can't see it.
You got dirt on the back of your elbow.
Oh, I thought she was talking to me. I'll show you guys a quick rabbit. Woo, crap. Ooh, it smells like rabbit too. Is he even in here? Hi, buddy. I'm gonna show you guys him. I'm gonna pet him just for you guys. So comment down below how cute he is. Here he is. Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. Aw, hi, bud. How you doing, huh? Sorry. Here he is. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi to the viewers. Look at that cute bunny face. What's cool about him, he's got one strap down the back. He loves being pet between the ears and behind him. Hi, dude. You're so cute. But yeah, watch this. I find a piece. Long enough. So those right here for now. I'm gonna feed them for y'all real quick. Right here. See if I can find a long enough piece I can actually stick my finger in there to feed him with. Is that good? Right there. Hey, buddy. Look, he's eating. He's eating. Yeah. Here. Here. There he is. Top view. Top point of view. Come on. Eat. Please. Let these viewers see how cute you are. Eat it. Hold on. There's y'all top perspective of him. Can't remember where his feet was. Is that it? Yeah, here it is. Right there's one big one. There's one right there's a big one. Can't forget about that biggest one. Here it is. Eat it, please. For the viewers. Thank you. Nom 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 nom. It's food. You like this stuff. Ow, hit my head. You love this stuff, buddy. Eat it. You love this stuff. You eat it every time they buy it for you. Please eat it for the viewers. Please. Here, better view. You're not gonna eat it? No? Here, have the bigger one. You about to eat? Huh? Well, he won't eat. That sucks. Here. Bunny rabbit, what's on your head, buddy? Watch, he hops. He hops. Bunny, 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 bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny. It's the bunny, 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 bunny. Say hi. Say hi to the viewers. Let's see if I can feed him one last time. Find a big one.
Oh, this is
There we go. Here's a decent one. Buddy, please eat for the viewers. I want to see you eat. Comment down below and tell them to eat. Say, eat it, eat it, eat it. Here, buddy. You love this stuff. Here. Come on, please eat it for the viewers. Yum, 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 num nums. Num num nums. Okay, hold on. It's so big. Separate the big ones from the small ones. Boom, one. There's a decent one. There's one too. So picky, you're so picky. Look, those are all big. Here. Please eat. Please eat it. Just for the viewers. Say, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Comment down section. He's eating it. Come on, eat it, buddy. Eat it, eat it. You know you love these things. Why don't you eat them? You're making me sad. Right there's the biggest one. See if I can get him to move. Move. Thank you. So I'm gonna come on this side. See if I can give you guys a bird's eye view. Eat it, please. Watch, he's gonna be doing it. This is about to come the all his way.
Alright. I'm putting the puppy back in the room where it's supposed to be.
Alright, guys. Hey. You love that stuff, dude. Why don't you eat it? It's good for you. Food is good for everybody, really. He's got hops. Here, buddy, here. Dude, come on, you love this stuff. Here. I'm gonna open the cage. Get a piece of food. Now eat it. Oh crap. About the phone on you guys. Oh, he ate it. Guys, he ate it. He actually ate it. Good job, bud. Good job. I like your ears. They're so cool. I like your ears. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and you enjoyed the bunny, he was trying to say bye to you guys. What do you want to say today? What do you want to say to him? Watch this video right now, and I will eat more stuff for you, and I will try to appear on this channel much more than I usually do. So don't forget to smash the like button, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So yes, comment down below what you guys thought about me, and we will see you dudes